It is January 10th, 2013, and here's Solomon eating his yummy breakfast. He's eating cut up strawberries, oranges, and tiny pieces of banana nut bread that he got from his grandma Vicky. And he's gonna make a huge mess, but I'm used to that. I just let him go to town, and then I just give him a bath and clean all his clothes. He has more fun feeding himself than when I feed him, though I do both. Hi, baby! And he's watching the kitty cats on the ground, playing with the whatever they're playing with. You're a big boy, huh? Say I love you to your grandmas. Say I love you, grandmas, all of you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.